If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like for more streaming tips and tricks. How to add stars to YouTube TV. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add stars to your YouTube TV subscription, enhancing your streaming options with popular movies and original series. Let's get started on expanding your entertainment library. First, open the YouTube TV app on your device or navigate to the YouTube TV website in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Settings option, usually located in the top right corner of your screen or under your account icon. Click on Settings and then select Membership from the menu. Under the Membership section, you'll see a list of available channels and add-ons that you can include in your subscription. Scroll through the list until you find stars. Once you locate it, you'll see an option to add it to your lineup. Click on the plus icon or Add button next to stars to include it in your subscription. After clicking Add, you'll see a prompt to confirm the addition. This will typically include information about any added fees associated with stars. Accept the terms and confirm your choice to proceed. Once you've confirmed, stars will be added to your YouTube TV package. You can now access Starz content from your YouTube TV home screen or by searching for specific shows and movies. Enjoy exploring a wide variety of Starz programs right from your YouTube TV account.